Me again, Paul P. Woke up extra early to check out the buffet. I'm the first one here, which means I get to see all the food before it comes out. Let's check out the food. Coming from breakfast. Grabe busog. 4 rounds of eating. I think it's more than enough. I can't think of any more food. On my way back to my room. We're now at the room. Pizza. Okay guys, papunta na kami ngayon sa Bakakay. Kung kailangan nyo pumunta dito sa Legazpi and you want to relax, contact Donsol Eco Tours. Sila nag-handle ng ATV namin yesterday and Bakakay tour namin today. They also go to Donsol for the whale shark swimming and Misibis Bay tour. White Sand Beach yun, maganda yun. Maybe next year, pagbalik ko dito, yun ang pupuntahan ko next time. Okay, thank you. Over and out. We'll see you pag nandun na kami. Bye-bye. In Manaet, Bakakay, Albay. Very remote place, but they have a very nice batis, aka dam or ilog, that is soon to be fully constructed. Malamig yung tubig, sobra. I suggest if you ever have time, come by, try it out. It's going to be one very refreshing dip. This is Paul P. Always gutom, never busog. Travel Vlogs.
Lions roaring in the morning.
Okay, I'm here now in Bicol's Vanishing Island. I'm gonna go 360 on this. Check it out.
The light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
Okay, medyo madilim dito but we are in Seafront Restaurant sa may Baywalk ng Legazpi. We just ordered a lot of food so we'll give it a shot kung masarap. Okay, kakatapos ko lang kumain dito sa Seafront Restaurant. It has the thumbs up approval of Always Gutom, Never Busog, Poultry.
For the people, for the land.
And on our last day here in Legazpi, Albay, finally Mayon has decided to show her true self. Okay guys, nandito kami ngayon sa DJC Halo Halo, home of the famous Halo Halo here in Legazpi. We're having Halo Halo on this very hot day, just before we fly out to Manila. Okay, tara, kain tayo sa loob.
We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world.
I finally made it here sa Cebu Pacific counter ng Legazpi Airport. Uwi na kami ng Manila. President Duterte, ano masasabi mo sa aming trip? Masaya ba? Speechless!
We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a roll. Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah.
Always gutom, never busog.